the waking up from sleeping is the worst part. I hate alarm clock noises. Like, I hate waking up to so I'm like, forget it, I'm just gonna put on the music, the heavy metal station, just as loud as hell, so that I can, instead of waking up to I can wake up to like, wake up, grab a brush and put a little makeup, grab a teeth and on the table, what do I do? What do you do? What do I do? It's like, try waking up to that. But that's what it reminds me of how lazy it seems like bands are getting with their songs and the lyrics. I just feel like I heard this song in the radio the other day, and it's just like, dun 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 dun, knick knack paddywhack, give a dog a bone, dun 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 dun. This old man came rolling home, dun 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 dun. Or like, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y Z W X Y Z. Like, they have no sense of lyrics. It's just yelling and screaming the alphabet or nursery rhymes.